Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix visual lookup not working in iPhone. So visual lookup helps identify objects in your photos. When you open a photo in your gallery, you'll see an icon that allows you to search for information about object in photos, similar to Google Lens. So if make sure your iPhones or iPad supports visual lookup. To check which iPhone model supports this feature, search online for a list of compatible devices. Now check language settings. Now visual lookup only work with certain language. If your iPhone is not set to one of those supported language, you need to add a compatible language. To do this, go to settings, go to general, then language and region, and add a language that supports visual lookup. Now the fourth fix is to check internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to the internet as visual lookup requires an active connection. Now the fifth fix is to enable visual lookup in Siri settings. Go to settings and search for Siri. Now after searching for Siri, tap on Siri and search. Tap on Siri and search. And scroll down to make sure show in lookup option is enabled. Scroll down and make sure show in lookup option is enabled. And this also does not fix a problem. The fourth fix is to force restart your iPhone. To do this, press volume up button once, down once, hold the Apple logo and restart it. Now the seventh fix is to test with different images. If visual lookup still is not working, the issue may be with the object in the image. Try using the image with well-known landmarks or object to see if the feature works with other photos. And if none of the above steps works, the final step is to simply update your iPhone. To do this, go to General, go to Software Update, and search for your OS. And if there are any updates available, update it. That's it. Thanks for watching.